That's a sign of change. La semana pasada, el año pasado, por tomarte easier, a lot better because Papa speed. Right. I've seen wagons. All day.
Where's that S.p.A?
700. He was in Miami, he came back to the city.
Iconic supercars ever created, representing the pinnacle of Lamborghini's engineering, design, and performance capabilities. Launched in 2011 and produced until 2022, the Aventador becomes a symbol of power, extreme styling, and exotic appeal. The engine is 6.5 liter, naturally inspired by V12. Horsepower originally Aventador LP 700 to 400 HP, Aventador 700 400 LP, Aventador SVJ 0.60 MP as low as 2.8 seconds. The speed up to 217. Transmission is 7-speed.
Look at that shine. Just shine.
This one, Dad? That's it.
I don't know which R it is. Probably R8.
Honey?